Okay guys, in today's lecture we will see how to make a structure in STAAD Pro and how to design it in with overall process. We will follow all the step by step guide. Okay, let's start the project. We are going to start a new project, so we are going for a new project. Okay, just name what you want to take it new or new house. Okay, so okay, you can set the unit also. I am going to take it millimeter and kilonewton, or take it as meter kilonewton. Okay, so we are going to take add bin option. Okay, whichever option you want to select, just select it from here. After going into the model, you can also change there. Okay, just finish it. So we are in the tab, and this is the grid line that was showing, so it will cross it, and just we are going to make the model by giving the node, or if you want to make it using frame, then you can go from here also with snap node beam, so you can make the front view from here also. Okay, after that you can explode or just repeat it in z direction, translation repeat. So we are going to take the node to node point. Okay, this was the first step. So let's assume the first node is 0 point comma 0 comma 0, that is next by that direction one point node is developed. This is the node point. If you want to select it, just select the node cursor and click it, so it was selected. Okay, the next point will be give, let's assume the front view, the length between two columns. Okay, so it was in x directions. Okay, around a 3, let's take it on 3.5, or just take it as 3 meter. Okay, around 10 feet. So we are just going to give okay. Second node is developed. Okay, and select this one also, and just after selecting the node you have to give the command control C and control V. Okay, so again I'm going to give 2 meter here, and so this was also been copied here at a distance of 2 meter. Just select all the nodes from here. Okay, C again, do the same command C and V, and just paste in Z direction in backward side. So if you're doing giving the command in backward side, then there will be minus sign, but I am going to give in positive X direction, so it will be plus side. Okay, so I am going to give it as 2 meter in positive X direction, so it was coming like this only. Again, if you want to repeat it, if the node distance was same, but I selected the first node, so I have to give 4 meter, because this node is copying to this position, not this node. If I will select this node, the second one, okay, so we have to give 2 meter if the distance was 4 meter from the first one. Okay, so if I selected the first one, so I have to give 4 meter. This three node has been created. Okay, so again I want to repeat it, CTL C and V. So it was 2 meter and it was 4 meter from here to 4 meter. Take it, oh, okay, take it 8 meter. Okay, so this point is created here. This is in 3D view. If you want to repeat it in, just do it as I am doing. Change the view, go to top view, connect the beams. Why I am connecting a beam, I will tell you. Just connect the beam from node to node point. Okay, so node is the connection point only. That's the beam and column junction. Okay, so I go again in 3D view. Just select all the beams. Now I can select the beam also and do the translational repeat if I want to create the floor. Okay, so select the y direction and how many flow you have to go. So take it as 3. I want to go 3 more. So this is the ground floor. Again one is the first floor. The next one is the second floor and the terrace. Okay. Number of steps. So you have to put here number of steps 3 and take it as 3.2. Okay. Take it as 3 meter. The floor to floor height. Okay. So if we link the step, then the column also created. That was good for us. And we will do it. Okay. See, frame has been created. This was the ground floor. This was the first, second, and terrace. And if you want to also create the base for footing, then again go in y direction. But don't select the beam. Okay, just select the nodes. So we can go from other view. So this was the side view. Okay, these are the views option. So you can go for different views from here. Only this was plus z direction, this was the 3D dimensional, this was the plus z, this was the negative z, this was from here, this side from the front side, and minus z is one from the back side. Okay, similarly we can follow in x and y direction also. So we have selected the node. Why I am selected the node? Because we have to just copy the node to the foundation level. We don't have to create the beam at foundation. Yeah, right. This was actually the plinth level. Okay, ground floor is actually plinth level. Sometimes the plinth level will be different from the ground floor, but here I am taking as ground floor as a plinth level. Okay, so we are going to take is 1.5 meters, around 5 feet. Okay, so we will link the step to the column will be extended to that. So it was in my direction, and how much step we have to get? Number one, link the step so column will be created. Okay, so see. Okay, you can get the how to make the grids, how to make the frame. Okay, here are many other options you can create. As I already told you, if you want to go from here also, to it's a snap grid linear option. So how the grid was created, you can create same as the elevation height from here easily. Okay, you can just click on the grids and just check whether the unit was in meter or whatever you are taking was not, or okay, was there or not. So you have to select the grid to grid point. Okay, how much distance you have to travel. So this was 1 meter, this was 2 meter, this was 3 meter. So you have to make mark the elevation and then cross it. Okay, so you can after that you can replicate it easily in whichever direction you want to replicate. Okay, if you want to make in a plan view, then you can change the coordinates from here also. Okay, you can edit it from this option. Okay, so this was in xy plane, that's why it was showing like this, x and y. If you want to go in xz plane, to select this option. Okay, so grid will come in the plan view. So if you know the plan, you can directly choose from or export it from AutoCAD. I will tell you how to export the file from AutoCAD, but if you don't have the plan or don't have the AutoCAD file, so you can also be use this option. So if you know the dimension, you can just click here and make it as I am doing. Okay, so this was 2 meter because it was in meters, 1 meter, 2 meter, so this was 2 meter. If we follow to the z direction, this was 3 meter. So it was creating in plan. Okay, just going to I'm just showing you. Okay, so you can change from here also. You can increase the grid option also from here. Okay, so this was the option. I'm going to escape it and just cross it. See, you can check in plan. This was the plan view. Okay, so it was showing in plan also. We don't need that. We already made the plan. You can also go from here. Just go to uh, geometry and run structure wizard. So you can get the option of truss and other models. If you should type or same to make the structure, then you can follow this also. Or it was a if it was a frame model like building frame grid, so you can directly give the length, height and width from here. Okay, if it was not in regular size, so you can give how I am giving. Okay, so for now we are going to cancel it. Okay, you can directly do the save model from here also. You save model if you have already saved it. Okay, you can make from here also. This is the grid option, but we can follow the bay frame option because we have to apply the foundation also. So you can provide length, height and width from here also. Okay, so I make the frame. In next video we will see how to apply loads, how to give the properties to beams. Okay, thank you.